How much should you actually spend on a drain cleaning machine? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's break down the top 5 options that actually work. Product number 1. Populo 20V Cordless Electric Drain Auger. First up is the Populo 20V Cordless Electric Drain Auger. Priced at $89.60, this caught my eye because of its cordless design and impressive 25-foot reach. If you want to tackle clogged drains quickly and effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. This drain snake is designed to make your life easier, especially if you're tired of traditional methods. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's 5 times faster than manual tools and requires 90% less effort. The forward and reverse feeding mechanism means you can easily navigate through clogs and pipes, ranging from 3/4 to 2 inches in diameter. Plus, the included LED work light helps you see those dark, hard-to-reach spots. Here's why this matters for you. If you face frequent clogs, this tool can save you costly plumber visits, often up to $200 each time. Now, some users mention that it struggles with solid blockages, like tree roots. Here's the thing, though. If you're dealing with everyday kitchen or bathroom clogs, this is more than capable. It's a game plan for routine maintenance, not heavy-duty jobs. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, user-friendly solution for regular household clogs. Skip this one if you're expecting it to handle severe issues. Honestly, for the price, it offers great value. Now, if that limited blockage capability bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Populo 120V Auto Feed Drain Auger. Next is the Populo 120V Auto Feed Drain Auger at $98. This caught my interest because it's designed for smaller lines, making it perfect for sinks and showers. If you want a no-mess operation for those tricky clogs, this is a solid choice. What makes this tool stand out is its auto feed technology. You don't have to touch the cable at all, which means less mess for you. With a 23-foot cable and a powerful motor that spins up to 560 revolutions per minute, this machine gets rid of clogs and pipes between 3/4 and 1.5 inches quickly. The durable bulb auger head is particularly effective for penetrating tough blockages. Here's why this matters. If you have multiple small drains to clean regularly, this saves you time and keeps them flowing smoothly. However, some reviewers mentioned that the cable could be a bit stiff at times. But honestly, as long as you're careful and follow the included instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Many users still rave about its effectiveness for smaller lines. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient, user-friendly tool for regular maintenance of small drains. Skip this if you're looking for something for larger pipes. It's reasonably priced for the performance it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger pipes. Product number 3, Vever 50-foot Drain Cleaner Machine. Now let's talk about the Vever Drain Cleaner Machine, priced at $124.90. This one caught my attention because it offers a manual feed system, which allows for more control. If you want something robust for larger clogs, keep listening. This drain cleaner comes with a 50-foot steel cable and a powerful electric drill that spins at 228 revolutions per minute. This setup is designed to tackle blockages in pipes from 2 to 4 inches, and the manual feeding gives you the flexibility to push it through tricky spots. It's equipped with 6 interchangeable cutters, so you can adapt it to tackle various types of clogs, whether it's a sink or a toilet. Here's why this matters. With multiple heads, you can effectively handle different situations, reducing odors and maintenance hassles. Some users did find it heavy and cumbersome to transport. I get that. If you're a homeowner just needing something for regular clogs, this might feel excessive. But if you deal with larger plumbing jobs, this could be a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful tool for serious clogs in larger pipes. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick fix for small drains. For $124.90, it's a solid investment for serious plumbing issues. Now, if the weight of that last model was a concern, the next one is a game changer for portability. Product number 4, Vever 100-foot Drain Cleaner Machine. Next up is the Vever 100-foot Drain Cleaner Machine, coming in at $349.90. This model caught my eye because of its impressive reach and auto-feed system. If you're looking at cleaning larger pipes efficiently, listen closely. This drain cleaner features a 100-foot cable and a high-speed motor that spins at 1,700 revolutions per minute, making it incredibly effective for tackling stubborn clogs in pipes from 2 to 6 inches. The air-activated foot switch allows you to operate it hands-free, which is super convenient, especially when you're dealing with tough blockages. Plus, the interchangeable cutter heads make it versatile for various situations. Here's why this matters. If you have multiple drains to maintain or often face larger blockages, this machine can save you a ton of time and effort. On the downside, it's quite heavy at 98 pounds. Some users mentioned that transporting it can be a hassle if you're not careful. But honestly, if you're getting it for professional use or serious plumbing jobs, the weight is a small price to pay for its capabilities. This is perfect for you if you manage larger plumbing problems or have a rental property. Skip this if you only need something for small, occasional clogs. At $349.90, it's a worthwhile investment for professional-grade performance. Finally, let's talk about a classic in the drain cleaning world that has a reputation for reliability. Product number 5, Rigid 52363 Model K 400. Last but not least is the Rigid 52363 Model K 400, priced at $597. This is a well-known name in the drain cleaning world, and it promises to handle even the toughest clogs with ease. If you want something that's built to last, keep this one in mind. This drum machine kit comes with a powerful 120-volt motor and 75 feet of durable cable, capable of clearing blockages in drain lines from 1.5 to 4 inches. The patented cable control system stops the drum from spinning if the head gets lodged, preventing damage. It's designed for hassle-free use and easy transportation with large heavy-duty wheels. Here's why this matters. If you're tackling severe clogs regularly, having a reliable machine can save you headaches and money. However, the price point is on the higher side, and some users felt it might be overkill for simple household jobs. But I'll be real with you. If you're serious about plumbing or if you're a contractor, this price reflects its durability and performance. This is perfect for you if you need a professional-grade solution for serious plumbing needs. Skip this if you're just looking for an occasional DIY fix. For the investment, you're getting quality and reliability. To quickly recap, we've covered 5 solid options, from budget-friendly choices to professional-grade machines. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need most. In summary, we've looked at the Populo 20V cordless for quick, everyday clogs, the Populo 120V for small line cleaning, the Vever 50 feet for larger blockages, the Vever 100 feet for serious plumbing tasks, and the Rigid K 400 for professional use. Whatever your need, there's an option here that can help you tackle those stubborn clogs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.